Windows 11 versus Windows 10. 8 biggest differences. Worth upgrading or not? If you are a Windows user, then you must already be aware of the new Windows 11 update also, with many new features and an interface that passes a close resemblance to the Mac OS. It is definitely something people are looking up to. Just not this, the fact that Windows also has exclusive features for gamers too, it also has added to the excitement of the people. One thing you should know is that if you are using Windows 10 on your computer, then fortunately you will get a free update of Windows 11. Now one serious question that arises in the minds of everyone is regarding which one is better. Keep watching the video till the end then, and also please do subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week. Windows 10 versus Windows 11. Number 1. New design with a centralized taskbar. This is one of those changes which is talked about most in all the pieces of news related to Windows 11. So if you are a big fan of macOS or just wish to see how the interface looks like, then you can go for the update to Windows 11. Moreover, we all know how cluttered the Windows 10 interface looks and is almost similar to its previous updates. So in order to experience a change in your interface and to get more of a clean and organized look, you should be going for the update. Also in the start menu of Windows 11, you get the list of all the pinned apps along with a search bar in it. Also for a personalized experience, there is a centralized taskbar on the left of your screen too. Number 2. Ease of multitasking. Another feature is that you get the ease of multitasking with the new Snap Desktop. Although you must be thinking that this feature already exists in Windows 10 too, but the problem is that multitasking is a drag and drop feature with which things go wrong many times and it's scurvy. In Windows 11, the feature of snap layouts makes it pretty simple to open more than one window at the time. All you need to do is to pick a simple template from the list, and then all your selected apps and windows can be in one place with the ability to resize them. So if you are a multitasker, that is if your work demands to be present in more than one place, then this is another feature making everything easier for you. Number 3. Chat integration with the Teams app. This one is more for the professional but even can be used for informal purposes. Although Microsoft released the Teams app back in 2017, the app was made optional and did not have much relevance then. Now with the launch of Windows 11, the Teams app has formed a larger and important role. The chat functionality of the Teams app is introduced in the taskbar menu. This makes it easier and quicker to send a message to your colleague or friend, make a video call to both Android and iOS users. Number 4. The new Microsoft Store where you can find all Android apps. Just like the Mac Store on Mac OS that consists of different apps that are available on iOS, in the same way Windows 11 also has a new Microsoft Store that consists of all the apps that are present on Android OS. This is another effort by Microsoft to make Windows 11 look more organized and reducing the work by providing everything before the users, instead of going inside many settings and functions. Number 5. Provides a better virtual support. Another plus point of Windows 11 is that it offers several virtual desktops, and this feature is extremely important for those who have one laptop with many users, or if your work consists of working on several virtual desktops. With the virtual support, you can toggle between the professional, personal, gaming, school desktops all at once. Earlier in Windows 10, this feature was pretty hard to use and resulted in many difficulties when in use. Number 6. The introduction of widgets. Well, there were widgets present already in Windows Vista, but with the latest upgrade of Windows 10 and Windows 11, the widgets feature is more advanced and can be accessed directly from the taskbar, and you can customize it too. Number 7. For the gamers, the introduction of Xbox Tech. This one would be a perfect reason for you to go for Windows 11 if you are a gamer. There are certain features that are usually found in the Xbox consoles like Auto HDR, direct storage, etc., which are also present in Windows 11 to improve gaming. Number 8. The voice and pen support. This one feature is aimed at improving the touch and leave more space between the icons on the screen and the taskbar. another effort at making the interface easier and neater. There is also haptics attached to the digital pen in the new Windows 11. So with these new features, it is recommended to go for Windows 11. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.